What's up guys, Isaiah Gibson here again from Lightwood Visuals. So for this video, we're going to be doing a review of the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. If you guys don't know, the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge is a course created by Jonathan Montoya, multiple six-figure affiliate marketer. You don't want to miss this because I'm going to show you what's included in these 3 days, how much it costs, what you can expect from it, and if you should buy it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this review of the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge going. So guys, as I stated, we're going to be reviewing Jonathan Montoya's 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge 2.0 has been updated so that now the courses used to be about 30 minutes long each. Now they're all roughly an hour or a little over. Now the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge only costs $7 to start. So let's get that out of the way now. There are additional upsells you can buy to, accelerate your learning or for like specialized things. I would start with the $7 first, and if you do decide to upgrade to the full course, we'll talk about that later. So day one is a full hour. Day one is where you learn about Jonathan Montoya himself. And this guy is the truth. This guy left his six-figure engineering job to pursue affiliate marketing full-time at the start of the pandemic. Day one is introducing you to what affiliate marketing is. This is a course talking about affiliate marketing and how to set up your systems. Jonathan introduces you to a few of the basics of affiliate marketing, what the affiliate stacking ecosystem is. He's going to show you the workbooks that are included within this product. You're going to see pretty much how to start your ecosystem, some example products, as well as going over the 3 steps within this new affiliate stacking ecosystem. Step 1 will be introducing your main core offer. Your main core offer is going to be your high ticket program, and you're going to have a bunch of lower ticket items to support that main core offer. Then after that, you're going to build out your system. And then after that, Jonathan discusses getting traffic. He discusses free traffic versus paid traffic. He just kind of glosses over a little bit in day 1 because you really get into it on day 3. Now, day 2 is a little over an hour long. Okay, so on this day, you learn how to set up your system. You learn pretty much the difference between private offers versus something like ClickBank. ClickBank is great for beginners, as Jonathan will tell you, but it's not built for long-term longevity businesses. So on day 2, Jonathan discusses his ebook and funnel, discusses what a lead magnet is and the bridge page is, terms you'll really want to learn if you want to take this affiliate marketing business seriously, as well as you're starting to integrate your email autoresponder and GetResponse with Clickfunnels. Jonathan is heavy in Clickfunnels, and for good reason. They're a solid program. I can show you guys how to use a different program later called GrooveFunnels. If you look at my page, I do a lot of stuff in Groove. Pretty much anything you can do in Clickfunnels, you can do in Groove and then some. But Jonathan's system is pretty much based in Clickfunnels and this new system called System.io, which is also a very solid system. Now guys, these videos are meant to be watched in order in this 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. It's a great way to learn and kind of understand what the affiliate system is. Now, day 3 is all about traffic, okay? If you guys don't know, traffic is the lifeblood of any business. It's literally the amount of eyes that see your business, and those eyes turn into potential buyers, and those buyers could become repeat clients and repeat customers. Without traffic, no business can exist. None. This video is about an hour and a half long just because Jonathan's discussing his high-ticket product, which is the full main Freedom Breakthrough course. But before you even get there, he talks about how to gain traffic using free organic sources like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, etc. Then he also goes into really nice advanced ad training is within this short $7 course. He goes into the power of Google ads and YouTube ads, and it's just phenomenal. If you run ads the wrong way, you can lose a lot of money. So Jonathan's kind of showing you the right way to start running the ads, what to look for when you creating your ads, etc. Now let's go into Jonathan's bonuses, okay? Now these bonuses are pretty sweet. So the bonuses you get from the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge are sweet. Nobody else are doing these. Nobody's going to give you access to their business for $7. And Jonathan is doing that. Jonathan is giving you his 3-day challenge funnel. All you do is you pretty much import it into ClickFunnels, change the links, and you're good to go. Now the only thing I would recommend you do is I would recommend you record your own video for the bridge page, as well as change the copy under it because it's tailored towards Jonathan's life. You want to tailor it towards your own life, your own experience. This is trying to build your business. Jonathan's the instructor, but this is still your business. This is going to be your funnel once you, import it into your system. The next bonus you get is the white label ebook. The ebook is already written for you. It's already created. All you do is you go in there, you change the affiliate links. Him giving you this totally created and totally polished ebook, and all you do is change the affiliate links is amazing. Because you probably wouldn't even thought to sign up for those affiliate programs to begin with. And lastly, you get Jonathan's top performing email swipes. If you guys don't know already, the email list is what's really going to grow your business for the long term. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the 3-day business breakthrough challenge review video that I just did, make sure you guys subscribe and like for more. And definitely check out the link below if you really want to enroll today. I have a few other bonuses if you do decide to enroll in that Freedom Breakthrough program after you try out the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. This course has been a game changer. So overall, I will rate Jonathan's course a solid 9.5 out of 10. There's a few things left out as far as, the traffic sources. It doesn't go too much into YouTube Shorts in the 7-day challenge, but the full Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 course does. It doesn't go into Pinterest at all. And Pinterest is a gold mine. But if you guys were to watch my Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 challenge review, you will see that at the end of that, one of my bonuses is a free ebook for Pinterest. Pinterest is super powerful, and I kind of wish that this was talked about more in this, but it's not a deal breaker because it goes heavily into TikTok, heavily into IG Reels, a little bit into Facebook, as well as the ads. The ads alone would probably bring the value of this course up to maybe double, triple what it is. Drop a comment, let me know if you want me to do more of these reviews. So guys, that's going to be it for the 3-day business breakthrough challenge review. I'm Isaiah Gibson from Lightwood Visuals, signing off.